Okay, now we're running again with Inky. We had to do a redesign. The joints were giving me problems, meaning the head tracked completely wrong. We're now using the force of magnetism. The end, all the joints are held with magnets, N52 magnets, working on a 10mm ball. Absolutely superb now, very, very smooth, tracking around the shapes with no problem whatsoever. Fantastic. The rods are made out of 4mm carbon fibre, so very, very light, very sensitive to movement. Using the same carriages, just cut the ends off, a little bit of cutting and sewing, and there we are. New carriages made, or new adapters made to the carriages. Still running on 1.75 filament, which seems to be now performing as designed. A bit closer. The new end effector includes a fan, so it's got an enclosure around the hot end, and then we've got a 30mm fan running in there, so the air cools around the hot end and it exhausts down underneath the end effector, so that is actually providing air movement and some coolant to the product that you're printing.